Okay, so here we are in this notification bar update Jira. And we're going to the description here. It says put the notification component within margins. See this Figma here. See dashboard work. I click on it, and guess what? I am not going to the notification bar. I'm going to like say, hey, shout out to the notification bar. As a developer, I don't want to deal with this. What I want is something like, um, let's see, where are we? As a developer, I want something like this, where it's in context, right? And it was in this Jira. So here in this Jira, if you click on it, you get directly, and here the designer has said link to component in Figma. Here is where you're going to get that information, and it gets you directly where you need to be. So I can see that there's all the versions here, this notification bar. Oh, um, there's using the notification bar, its anatomy, the rules, the order, all of that, right? And it all came from that context. So say I wanted to like put this in for detail. If I just select it, go copy and paste as, copy link to selection, and I'm just going to show it in the browser here real quick. Copy and paste, it's going to take me back to that file directly in this versioning of being able to show all the context of the notifications in the order. That's what I wanted to show. I didn't want to show the cover sheet of all of this. So um, it's much better than to like um, take this again. That's the copy and paste as, copy link to, and I get this. Um, it's it's a little bit better to like start directly where the developer can kind of have a context to what they're looking at, because if they're starting, you know, at this level, some of them may not know what to do next. They may like go here and they're looking for that notification. They're not sure. Um, again, it, you're gonna you're going, and maybe then they see this and then they're like, well, what? Where is it? I don't see it. Where is it? Uh, uh, where's? Oh, is it over here? Oh, yeah, but like, um, there's still no context there. Not until you go down here, but I don't know if they're going to scroll down there and see notes to development. So that's why I recommend making contextual link directly to where a developer is going to start rather than um, a cover sheet, because you don't know if they're truly going to find it or if they're going to go looking in the wrong direction. And you don't know who that developer may be. So it's best to give as direct access to the file as possible. And again, to do that, I am right clicking, copy and paste as, copy link to selection. There are other ways to do it. This is one of the fastest ways to do it. Now it's in your clipboard. Again, I'm just gonna paste it. That's Control V or Command V. Then I'm pressing enter or return. And here I'm getting directly into the location of where I copied and pasted and created this link, right? So again, if I wanted to do this one, which I don't, but I'll do it for the sake of this, copy and paste, copy link to selection, Click here, and there we go with that cover sheet. So I think I've showed you a few times, and then that's what you're going to be putting in here in your Jira, whatever this Jira is. Okay? Reach out if there's any questions.